guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and we're here with another day of peeks. Yesterday we revealed the Winter Magic collection. It's absolutely beautiful, and we created this card. If you missed the video, you could go back and watch how we did this little shaker card. We also did reveal a little bonus of This Calls for Confetti mix that will be in your October box. So today we're revealing our first stamp set, and this is Nutcracker Dolls. So you can see we have a Nutcracker theme going on for these collections. And tomorrow's video, we're going to share a totally different collection that will be in your October box. So I thought we would make some cute holiday tags with these Nutcracker dolls. They seem to be the perfect size for little tags. They're easy to color, and in the set you get a to and a from. So perfect for tag making. We also have the sentiment, "'Tis the season," and "Believe." Now I did use that sentiment on our card yesterday, so it also goes very nicely with this ephemera pack. If you want to see the paper and the ephemera in detail, I'll have yesterday's video linked below. So for our cute stamp set, I colored up all the characters from the Nutcracker, and I also cut out the to and from. So if you do have a Brother Scan and Cut, it will cut out these cursive letters. Otherwise you can fussy cut them or just stamp them straight onto your cardstock. So I've also used a Sunny Studio tag die. This is the tag number 1. It comes with the base tag, these little topper, and this little border embellishment to go at the bottom. And I've also cut out blanks so I can paste them on the back of my tags because I want a spot where we could stamp the to and from. I also cut out some circles and some scallop circles so we can make some tags using the ephemera. So I showed this yesterday. We're going to finish up these tags today. We'll put those together as well. So first let's do these Nutcracker tags. I'm going to glue all the pieces. I'm using Barely Art Precision Craft Glue to glue on all my tags. So if you don't have a tag builder die, you can cut out the shape with your trimmer. A traditional style tag is very easy to cut out with the trimmer. So you don't have to run out and get a die to make tags. So I'm going to speed this up, play some music, and I'm going to put these all together, and then we'll come back and add our images. Let's go ahead and stamp our to and from with Versifying Claire in Nocturne. Okay, now that I have them all stamped out, we can glue them to the back of our tags. Okay, that gives nice sturdiness to our tag. Okay, I have some eggshell seam binding in my stash. So you can spray these to change the color. That's why I like to get the white. And I just tied a bow, punched a hole at the top, and now I'm going to add my image to the middle here, and I added foam tape little dots to the back to pop it up. Before that, let's put the to and from on the back. So if you're not familiar with our box of the month, it releases on the 1st of every month. You can purchase it as a one-time purchase or join the club. When you join the club, you get an extra 5% off, plus it reserves your box every month. It gets shipped to you automatically every 30 days. There's some wintry little greenery in there, so I'm going to snip off the bottom of that and tuck that in behind her. Add the candy cane, and there's a little bow. So let's see, I might want to just layer all this up here on the corner. So I'm going to put this one down first. Okay, so we have a pretty tag, the to and from on the back. And then let's just put this one together really quickly. I popped a hole right there, so that will be the top. The new release is October 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. You want to run over to the shop bright and early for the best selection. Sometimes these boxes do sell out very quickly. That's why it's best if you join the subscription. That way you don't have to worry about it. You know your box is going to kick out on the day that you purchased. So if you purchase the box on October 1st, your next box will kick out on November 1st. You can change the dates. If you wanted to change the date, say you got in on it late and you wanted your box shipped earlier, you can contact me. I can change the date for you. Or you can go into your Not Too Shabby account under reoccurring orders, and you'll see an area there where you can change the date. And this one I'm just going to do a little cluster here at the bottom. And I pop up the rows. And then we'll just put a big pop dot on the back. Okay, so let's just add this to the bottom. And then I want to dress it up with some of that sequins you're going to get in your box. It's gorgeous. This is from This Calls for Confetti. Isn't that beautiful? So we'll take some of those and just sprinkle them around the card. There's even these little snowflakes in there, so that would be cute to add. And then I think I'm going to put one of these little ones right in the center. Now let me add that to this one, since this one has a lot of glue on it. It's a pretty little rhinestone. Okay, for the finishing touch, I want to add some glitter. So I have a Stickles and Stardust, and there's like faux glitter on these roses, and I want to just dress it up with some real glitter. and then add some of the glitter. The artist drew in a lot of glitter in different areas of these designs, and you can just take your real glitter and dot on some glitter, and it looks really, really pretty. Like on the dress, I'm just gonna dot on some glitter down here so it looks very sparkly. Some on the bow. And how about her necklace? Okay, so let's take a look at these two and then we'll finish up our Nutcracker doll tags. So let me focus in. So pretty. Okay, so while those are drying, let's finish up these cute little tags. So we're going to add the bow to the top, and you can use your ephemera on these if you didn't want to do the stamps. So I'm going to just pop up my images. Okay, so I added bows to the top of each of these tags. We have a to and from in the back. Now we're just going to add our little characters. I think these cute little Nutcracker dolls would make great shrinky dinks. I think they would come out really good. They have nice thick lines. So come back tomorrow for another day of peaks, 1 p.m. Central Time. And set your calendar for October 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time for the release day. So tomorrow we're going to reveal a whole different collection that I know you guys are going to love. Okay, so there are 5 cute little Nutcracker doll tags, and then we've got 2 really beautiful, elegant looking tags. So I hope you guys enjoyed these projects, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys!